This video, we will see the product review of Samsung Galaxy A05 smartphone. The Samsung Galaxy A05 is an affordable smartphone designed for everyday use. It comes with a big display, powerful battery, and a dual camera system for good photos. It is a great option for students, casual users, and people looking for a budget-friendly smartphone. This smartphone display is 6.7-inch HD plus LCD screen with a resolution of 1600 into 720 pixels, which provides clear visuals for daily tasks. Processor is powered by MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, which ensures smooth performance for routine applications. This smartphone available in two variants: 4GB RAM with 64GB storage and 6GB RAM with 128GB storage. Both models support expandable storage up to 1 TB via micro SD card. This smartphone has a rear camera and front camera. In rear side, dual setup featuring a 50 MB main sensor and 2 MB depth sensor for quality photos. Front side, it has 8 MB front camera suitable for selfies and video calls. This smartphone equipped with 5000 mAh battery which supports 25-watt fast charging, which ensure extended usage with quick recharge time. This smartphone runs on Android 13 operating system with Samsung's One UI core interface, which offers user-friendly experience. This smartphone includes a side-mounted fingerprint scanner for security. This smartphone has dual SIM support, 3.5 mm audio jack, Dolby Atmos support for enhanced audio experience, and connectivity options like dual 4G Vivo LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, and USB Type-C. Now we will see pros of this smartphone. First point is large display. The 6.7-inch screen provides ample space for media consumption and browsing. Next point is affordable price. A good phone at low price. Next point is high resolution main camera. The 50 MB rear camera captures detailed images. Next point is expandable storage. Supports micro SD cards up to 1 TB, which allows ample space for media and apps. Next point is long battery life. The 5000 mAh battery offers extended usage on a single charge. Cons of this smartphone. First point is no AMOLED display. Uses the LCD screen instead of a more vibrant AMOLED display. Next point is no ultra-wide camera. Only has main and depth sensor, no wide-angle lens. Next point is no 5G support. Only supports 4G networks. Next point is plastic build. The phone's body is plastic, which may not feel premium. What are the customer positive feedbacks? First point is battery life. Many users appreciate the battery life and say it lasts more than a day. Next point is smooth performance. The performance is smooth for basic tasks like calling, social media, and light gaming. Next point is camera performance. Camera performance is good in daylight, capturing sharp and clear images. Next point is big screen. People like the big screen for watching videos and reading. In US, the price ranges from $100 to $130. In India, price ranges from 8,000 rupees to 10,000 rupees.